I really love this style of pot holder. It is very easy to make. It has pockets for your hands. You can grab pots and pans and lids and even bowls or hot oven trays easily. And it has a little loop for storage. You need one piece for the outer fabric, one for the lining, two pieces for the pockets. Those are a little smaller than the other ones. A little strip for the loop, cotton batting and terry cloth for the insulation. We start with the loop. First you fold it in half, press, then fold the two long edges towards that fold, press again and fold the two raw edges towards the middle and press on top. Pin down and edge stitch along the two edges of this little strip. Fold your pocket pieces in half, pretty side showing, and press the fold. Line up the raw edges of both the folded pocket pieces on the right side of the lining fabric piece. Put some pins in place. Both pocket pieces are aligned with the short edges of the lining piece. The folds are in the middle. Baste stitch these layers with your machine as close to the edge as possible. Position the two insulation layers, terry cloth and cotton batting, on the wrong side of the outer fabric piece. Baste these layers together so they will stay in place in the next step. Stay close to the edge when basting so the stitching won't show and you don't have to take it out afterwards. Position the loop on one of the fabric pieces so it ends up in between both layers. Place the piece with the pockets on top of the piece with the insulation, right sides together, and use sewing clips to hold the layers together and the loop in place. Mark where you want the turning hole and stitch all around except where the turning hole is, of course, and keep the seam allowance wider than the basting stitches. Before you turn this right side out, trim the corners and the edges as well. Turn the pot holder through the turning hole. My hole is a little too small. Make yours bigger. Then push out the corners. Now give it a good press and make sure the edges of the turning hole are inside. Now top stitch all around at a 1/4 inch from the edge. I'm using a walking foot for this task because of the thick layers. And that's it. My pot holder is ready to use. You have the little pockets. If you want more details about this tutorial, go to the Madame So Sewing and Quilting blog and subscribe to our channel to get notified when we have new tutorials online. Bye!